Hello, quilters. My name is Mary Ann Fontana, FontanaOriginals.com. I have been sewing and quilting since I was a little girl, and my love of quilting has never gained more momentum than when I discovered AccuQuilt. I'm coming to you today as an AccuQuilt expert and educator and a guru ambassador for the AccuQuilt product. I absolutely love it. We will be teaching an AccuQuilt only class for the first time at AQS Daytona this coming February 2025. The class is designed to show you how easy it is to use the AccuQuilt cutting system. During the class, we are going to use the AccuQuilt cutting system. We're going to have several cutting machines there, and we're going to be making blocks that go with the Rings of Tangerine quilt, which is a sample that I'm showing behind. We will be using the AccuQuilt Flowering Snowball die, and we will be using the AccuQuilt cutting machines to cut our shapes. You will see how easy it is to cut perfect shapes with AccuQuilt and how simple it is to sew curves, because AccuQuilt knows how to have you lay the fabric out so the curves go together beautifully. The class I will be teaching is called Rings of Tangerine, and it's class number 157504. It will be on Thursday, February 20th, starting at 8:30 and ending at 11:30. I urge you to go and sign up as soon as you can. I have a feeling this class is going to sell out. But we're going to have a wonderful time in the class. You're going to see how easy it is to piece and sew, and I'm going to show you my trick for sewing curves without using pins. You'll be amazed at how easy it is. So come visit the show, sign up for the class, and let's sew together. I know we're going to convert you to an AccuQuilt lover if you aren't already. So save the date, February 20th, Daytona, American Quilt Society show, Mary Ann Fontana, AccuQuilt. Meet us there.